And so it begins. Our trek to the US Open. Chris, defending champion. There's a lot of snow here. I don't like it.
Defending 26th place champion.
I'm just trying to make the cut for the first time in 5 years. Anyways, welcome back to the vlog. I feel like this is the tour is actually starting now because the first one was more or less a regional, and now we're actually touring. So, we're back! Alright guys, we made it to the Airbnb. You can't really see me because it's really bright out. And I slept most of the way because I'm still kind of on the Pacific Standard Time. And I'm tired. And I got a bowl of Pro-Am tonight. Luckily though, Chris and I are bowling at the same time now because Jesper wanted to switch, so that's cool. Our mid's in. Let us know in the comment section.
Mids are in.
If you're into shoes,
Mids are in.
Are you in?
Suppose.
With the mids. Alright guys, we just had lunch. Now we're going to the grocery store. We gotta stock up the house for the week. Probably just gonna buy some waters and some breakfast foods because we're gonna be out for the most part. This is one of the hardest tournaments for us scheduling wise because all three of us are on different squads. So that makes it really difficult for us to walk around and be together. There's 6 of us in the house, so if we're split 2, 2, and 2, that'd be nice. But yeah, the US Open's kind of a rough week. There's the PBA truck. Will we be drilling a bunch this week? Probably not. Marshall might be drilling a lot. I don't know. He's got big balls.
I got lots of big balls.
He also might drill other balls.
Yes.
But we won't talk about it.
I'm looking.
And here we are. D-Tang, 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 D-Tang. Random Belmo guy. How do you feel about that?
Kind of impartial. I mean, the guy's the greatest player to ever play the game, I think.
True.
Well, but yeah, the fact that we can do this.
I earned it because I took all those balls all the way from Vegas.
Wait, these two?
Yeah, these two.
For Belmo?
Yeah.
They're so nice.
I have moments. I could have burned them. I didn't.
We get to bowl with more BJs or more Williams. I'd like these more BJs. Williams not even his name. We got this deal where you film for me, I film for you.
Yeah, that sounds like a deal.
For the evening squads.
Yeah, we don't need
anything
that.
but the morning.
Anything but morning.
Yeah.
We can't do morning.
I'm gonna need you to pay close attention to the pair to my right.
This one?
That one.
This one?
Yes.
Specifically Anthony Samuelson?
Because that is content. That's a content pair right
That, oh wow. Anthony and Pete.
there. Yeah.
Dream team.
Dream team.
Dream team right there.
Follow all the channels. Like, what are you doing? The house? Follow Mikey? Follow Brad and Kyle? You guys probably already follow Brad and Kyle. But yeah, follow us.
I know you follow Brad and Kyle. Don't lie to us.
Everyone
You
does.
follow Brad and Kyle. I follow Brad
We gotta
and
go find Kyle and get the clout.
Yeah, where is he? All right, state your name.
Nathan out of Indianapolis, Indiana. New
Okay.
Palestine High School. Recruit me. Thanks. Gotta shout my name out.
Recruit you for what?
Bowling, of course. Scholarship wise, I gotta make my money some way.
Darren, where is Are you handing out scholarships for college? No. Sorry. You cost me $5. Why? I bet on you versus Kyle against Mary, and you cost me $5.
Who,
So somewhere you
Yeah.
owe me $5.
alright, I got you. I don't know about your bet. I mean, I would have bet on myself too.
I had faith.
I had faith as well. I don't have faith in picking a 10 pin. That's
What'd you call me?
Darren. What? Good old Darren.
That is incorrect.
Oh, I know. Hey, look like.
What? You believe this guy?
No.
Me neither. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't regret it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
2022, first Pro-Am. Everyone asked me to smell my balls.
Yeah, your replies would not have been the same as my replies. Well, it was more when the lady asked, what do your balls smell like?
What would you have said?
Sweat.
That doesn't seem like the appropriate Pro-Am answer.
And that's why they don't let me bowl the Pro-Am.
Practice day. Good morning, boys. How many practices are there and how does this work?
So there's 4 practice sessions. They're each an hour and a half, but nobody shows up for the 4th one
because you don't make it, then it's just a waste of time. Also, the lanes will play completely different by then. And it's 4 days away, so it's really irrelevant to do the last practice.
We're bowling on the 45-foot middle finger pattern. A little bit of a thicker oil, but low volume. So
I think it's a hybrid.
Yeah. So it's a thicker oil going forward, a thinner one coming back. So I think the fronts blow up pretty well, but at a certain point, they'll start to hold up pretty well.
Yeah, they're starting to look kind of nice. A lot of different options now.
45-foot pattern and strong balls don't look very good.
Kind of have to just get out of the brush with hopefully pin the box a lot and then boom, bang, get 'em.
I'm packing up early. I don't really need to see more. The stronger balls don't look fantastic cover-wise. They're just burning up and going forward. Not a lot of volume on the 45 feet. So I'm liking Zen. Zen could also honestly be first ball out of the bag. Zen, Wolverine. I'll show you guys.
This one's got a pop for sure. A little cleaner for asymmetric. Always been a fan favorite. These three are the check-in bag so far. Emerald's been really good. I got a Hustle Camo out there.
That looks all right. I think honestly it's just getting out of the gates on the fresh, just trying to manage the pocket later in the block. That's just an idea for now. They can always change once we get started with the actual bowling, so we'll keep our mind open. Welcome back for practice number 2 at the 37 flat. We've seen this one before, but we're in a different bowling center. I feel like this one's going to be pretty straightforward so far, but again, practice sessions not always the same or close to the actual competition, but urethane balls look to be good, and they still look good.
Unless you're Norm Duke. Unless you're Norm Duke.
And then you can throw whatever you want.
As expected, we got the US Open champion fast pitch on the ball card for Mr. Bai. I've written 3 down so far. Haven't quite locked in the other 7 yet. We have one more pattern. 41 feet. There's a little speed bump. It's gonna make it real tough for the people that like to hook it a lot, I think. So, I don't know. We'll see. We got some balls here, a wide variety of balls. What are we thinking, Mr. TV Bowling Supply? All right. Be a good staffer and throw the prodigy.
I am the prodigy.
I got, guys. It's not the second time this week that I found an extra camera. Hey, Brad and Kyle just be leaving their stuff everywhere. Kind of wild. Let's go find them real quick.
I think you might need this, bro.
Dude, we've been looking for that.
It's been on our pair this whole time. You got your ball sheet figured out?
Kinda.
You know what you're gonna do? You got their phase 4?
Yeah, you guys gonna throw a phase 4?
Nope.
You didn't put it in?
No. It was in the car before we started practice.
All right, Brad. There's some knowledge coming out of here.
Yeah. See, Brad has all of these balls. You can count them. 3, 6, 9, 12, there's
No.
Okay, there's 16.
16.
And he spent the last hour and a half scouring Indianapolis for a green hustle camouflage. Am I wrong?
No.
So what? God's earth is so important about that ball that none of these can do it.
Well, I can't make a ball not hook with my hand. I
Yeah.
gotta have the ball naturally not hook.
Me either, you know, I get
Whatever,
so much
man.
that ball won't go straight with it.
Now, how many strong asymmetrics did you put in your bag?
I
So
feel
y'all
like he's
know-
the wrong
hey,
person to ask.
just so
Because he'll
y'all
probably
know.
have the most in the field.
Just so y'all know, I walked up behind him with a camouflage hustle. That was mine. And I turned it upside down so he couldn't see the holes. And I said, hey man, and he's like, he thought I'd brought him a ball. And I went, no, it's just mine. Thanks for the tip.
So big ol' L. Sorry, Brad.
Yeah, I know.
You don't need it. You won't need it. That'll be okay.
Yeah, we'll be all right.
Alrighty, we out, boys. We go get some food. We're gonna rest up tonight. We are gonna go do some irresponsible. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna maybe not do those things. You know, maybe somebody will. Maybe somebody will. It's not gonna be me. But tomorrow we start on the long pattern, 45 feet. There's a long stick in the middle of the pattern. Yeah, if you know what that means, cool. If you don't, then whatever. Chris, you put the balls in the car. Thanks.
Yeah, I got you.
Nice. Anyways, 8 games tomorrow. We're all on different squads. I don't know who you're gonna see in this vlog, but hopefully you'll see a little bit of me. Bye.